Okay, now Karan, what are you saying? Karan, your mask. Kunal, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, let's start. Page number 55. The open window. As I have already asked you, do you believe in ghosts? So, sometimes we don't want to believe, but still there is some kind of fear. Okay. So let's read this chapter and let us see whether this chapter has anything to deal with ghosts and all. The open window, 7th chapter, page number 55. Karan, start reading. Today I found Karan. Karan, come here. Chalo. Take this.
My aunt will be down presently, Mr. Newton said, a very self-possessed young lady of 15. In the meantime, you must try and put up with me. Frampton Newton endeavored to say something with this which should daily flatter flatter the knees of the moment without unduly discount the aunt that
I gave the introduction that is related to horror. Or you were able to find some kind of humor in these few lines.
the aunt that was to come privately. He doubted more than ever whether these formal visit of succession of total stranger would do much toward helping the nerve cure which he was supposed to be undergoing.
Confident. Will laugh, then others will laugh. Okay, the open window. Here, in the first paragraph only, now we are aware that there are how many you can number of members or characters? How many? 3. How? Aunt, Mr. Nuttall, and the niece. Okay. Basically, there are only 2 present that moment. Okay. Aunt was not present. So let's start. My aunt will be down presently, Mr. Nuttall. Said a very self-possessed young lady of 15. Self-possessed meaning they have given calm and confident. Okay. Means she is not here right now, but she'll come. Maybe she is upstairs or somewhere else. So in the meantime, you must try and put up with me. No, so she said, okay, as the aunt is not present, so just bear with me. Means you can talk to me. Okay, put up with me, kind of you can say phrase here. When you have to deal with someone who is not desirable at that very time, okay, that very moment, but you have to deal with that person in a very patient manner, in a very patient way. तुम चाहते नहीं थे वो इंसान हो वहां पे. The person, this Mr. Nuttall, he went to see the aunt, okay, but the aunt was not there. Okay, so the girl said, okay, for time being, just bear, just talk to me. Okay, that जो भी time है वो consume हो जाएगा. You need to talk to me. But the girl was not desirable there. जो भी काम था Mr. Nuttall को, that was with the aunt. Okay. Then Frampton Nuttall endeavored to say something which should duly flatter the needs of the moment without unduly discounting the aunt that was to come. So Frampton Nuttall, he was trying to say something, you can say he was trying to find some appropriate words to say something good to the niece without disregarding the aunt who was about to come. Means he wanted to be very careful with his words. Okay, we haven't read that introduction part now. Frampton Nuttall has bad nerves, kind of disorder where he was nervous, anxiety. Okay, he had anxiety issues, you can say anxiety disorder, जहां बहुत nervous हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा चिंता होनी शुरू हो जाती है. So he wanted to be very careful with his words, and then privately, he doubted more than ever whether these former visits of a succession of total strangers would do much towards helping the nerve cure. Means he was there for some purpose. What was the purpose? The purpose was to cure some problem that was his nerve disorder. Okay, so he was there for this cure. Anxiety se dur jane ke liye he went there. Okay, we'll read further. Means not disregarding the aunt, excessively disregarding the aunt. बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा ना हो ताकि aunt. So whether these formal visits, means now he was there, it is a kind of formal visit. Okay, and then why was he there? He was there just for his nerve cure. He wanted to meet new people. We'll read why. Okay, and then succession of total strangers means number of people. He was there meeting number of people. Maybe yes, सबसे first हो जिनसे वो मिल रहा है, and there were many more with whom he had to meet. Okay, so he said that according to him, this wasn't a good idea to meet number of people to cure his anxiety issue, anxiety disorder, which he was supposed to be undergoing. He was undergoing this process. What was the process? The process was to meet people to cure his nerve disorder. ठीक है, ज्यादा लोगों से मिलना ताकि जो भी उसको एंजाइटी इश्यूज हैं वो खत्म हो जाए. ठीक है, that is given. कहाँ लिखा है? Yes, Manasvi, come. First two paragraphs clear. Frampton Nuttall, at that time, presently, there in the room, there was Mr. Nuttall. Okay, he was the visitor. Second, the niece, 15 years old girl, niece. Okay, she was you can say she was very calm and confident, and she was the host. The aunt was not present, so actually she was taking care of the visitor. Is it okay? And why why was the visitor there? To cure his anxiety issues.
I know how it will be. His sister had said when he was preparing to migrate to his rural retreat, "You will bury yourself down there and not speak to a living soul, and your nerves will be worse than ever from moping. I shall just give you letters of introduction to all the people I know there. Some of them, as far as I can remember, were quite nice."
Now, I know how it will be. Baitho zara, I'll call. I know how it will be. His sister. Now, another character, the sister of Mr. Nuttall. Okay, so according to the sister, that the person, Mr. Nuttall, he was not a, you can say, social person. Okay, because of his issues and all, because of this problem. So that is why he was there. Means he was in that place, that house, because of her, because of his sister. Okay, she suggested to meet new people, and then his sister had said that when he was preparing to migrate to this rural retreat place, you will bury yourself down there and not speak to a living soul. She knows that she knew that her brother would not talk to anyone. Okay, and then she said that, and your nerves would be worse than ever from moping. Moping means already he was miserable. so he'll become more miserable that time. Okay, he already had issues, that anxiety issues. Mopping means being miserable. So according to the girl, to the sister, she said that it is compulsory for him to leave some place and go to a peaceful place. That is why the Mr. Nuttall, he visited that place. Okay, and she said that she knew the brother, her brother, so she said that he would not talk to anyone because of his nature, and this would definitely make the things worse. उसकी जो तबीयत है वो और खराब हो जाएगी. Definitely when you don't speak to anyone, तुम किसी से बात ही नहीं कर रहे हो, already you have issues like you worry a lot, nervous and all, तो वो और ज्यादा worse हो जाएंगी. So she knew all these things, and that is why what was her advice or what was the idea? She gave letters of introduction. She gave few addresses and phone numbers to all the people she knew there. जिन जिनको वो जानती थी उस एरिया में, उसने सभी के फोन नंबर्स एंड एड्रेसेस उसे दे दिए, so that he could go and meet them. ठीक है? Some of them, as far as I can remember, were quite nice. So according to the sister, जिनको भी वो एड्रेसेस वगैरह जिसके दिए, they were nice. Not all, but some of them were nice. हाँ, मतलब she एक लिख दिया that he's my brother and that this, so just take care of him. That's address उसे दे दिए, phone numbers दे दिए, means now he has to go there and then hand over that letter. जब हम किसी कोई हम मिलने जा रहे हैं किसी को, सपोज आप ये जलंधर सिटी छोड़ के कहीं और जा रहे हो, वहां पे आपके किसी रिलेटिव का कोई नोन है, तो वो आपको एक बता देते हैं ना, ये मेरा रिलेटिव है, कोई बात नहीं, आई कॉल हिम, यू जस्ट विजिट दैट पर्सन. यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा, दे वर यूजिंग लेटर्स. ठीक है, रूरल एरिया, ठीक है, प्लेस. आओ ना.
Frampton wondered whether Mrs. Supplet and the lady to whom
I think Frampton Nuttall.
the lady to whom he was presenting one of the letters of introduction came into the nice division.
Now Frampton Nuttall, he was wondering whether Mrs. Stapleton, this was the lady with whom he wanted to meet. Okay, the aunt of that girl. Is it okay? Got it? So he was just thinking whether hopefully the lady just falls into that category of nice people. जो अच्छे लोग हैं उनकी कैटेगरी में ही आ रही है ये. ठीक है? Okay, so he was there to give the letter of introduction, to just tell that my sister knew you and this and all. Frampton wondered whether Mrs. Stapleton, the lady to whom he was presenting one of the letters of introduction, means she was in the list. Okay, उस टाइम पे वो किसके घर पे था? एक घर पे था, इतना मेंशन किया हुआ है. The aunt was not present there. लेडी ने जो दूसरी गर्ल थी उसने ग्रीट किया. aunt का जो नेम है वो मिसेस स्टेपल्टन है. ये फर्स्ट पार्ट वाज जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन. जो एक्चुअल सिचुएशन प्रेजेंट है वो अब शुरू होगी. That was kind of introduction about this Frampton Nuttall. He was facing some kind of problem. Okay, he went there. Why he went there? To cure his problem. And who suggested? His sister suggested. Okay, and then she gave letters of introduction just कि वो एक दूसरे को अच्छी तरह मिल सके. It's time कि आप यहाँ से जा रहे हो, मैं आपको एक एड्रेस पकड़ा रही हूँ. ठीक है, एक लेटर दिया उसके साथ कि ये लेटर वहां पे जाके उसे उस इंसान को दिखा देना. ठीक है, 3-4 एड्रेसेस दिए हैं. अब एक लेटर आपने पकड़ा है, एड्रेस भी साथ में होगा ना, आप उस एड्रेस पे पहुंचे हो, तो इंसान का नाम आपको पता चल जाएगा. आया समझ में?
Do you know many of the people round here? Asked the niece. When she judged that they had sufficient silent communication, hardly a soul, said Frampton. My sister was staying here some 4 years ago, and she gave me letters of introduction. to some of the people here.
Now what happened? Frampton, as he was just hoping that the lady, she also falls in the category of nice people, then now the communication started. Do you know, many of the people around here asked the niece when she judged that she had sufficient silent communion, means they were not talking, both were sitting silently. So just to break that silence, the girl started and she started asking, do you know people, do you know someone here? So he said that hardly a soul, means he actually didn't know anyone. Okay, so she said, he then gave, you can say, kind of introduction, that sister, she stayed here for 4 years 4 years ago, and she gave letters to me so that I could meet them, that's all. Then he made the last statement in a tone of distinct regret, means he was regretting that he came there. He was not a social person, he didn't want to meet anyone, but just because of the sister he was there. So that time he was regretting. हम रिग्रेट करते हैं कि हम डिसीजन रिग्रेट करते हैं कि हम यहाँ पे क्यों आए. So he was regretting that decision. Understood? Sure. Angel, come and read.
Then you know practically nothing about my aunt, cursed the self-possessed young lady. Only her name and
Yes, so she, the young girl, she came to the conclusion. Okay, so anyone, so my aunt personally. Okay, so the boy, he said, actually yes. Pursuit means he's continued her investigation. Okay, she was asking questions now, so it was kind of investigation. Then
only her name and address admitted the caller. He was wondering whether Mrs. Stapleton was in the married or widowed state. An undefinable something about the room seemed to suggest masculine habitation.
okay, wait. So when she asked whether he knew anyone, so he admitted that he had never met the aunt. Okay, so he said that only her name and address. That's all. He had not seen the aunt. So then he said he was just thinking whether he wanted to know whether the aunt. Why so? Because you can say because of the room. There were two things you can say, or room suggested there were some males also in the room. They also stayed. हो या कुछ भी चीजें हो, okay? Maybe there might be some males who also stayed. He just wanted to know whether she was married.
A great tragedy just happened 3 years ago, said the child. That would be since your sister's time. Her tragedy, said Frampton. Somehow in this restful country spot, tragedy seemed out of place.
So now she started. The girl, niece, said that tragedy happened with the aunt some 3 years ago, and then Frampton, he was shocked because the country, the place was very peaceful. So he was just wondering that it is kind of, you can say, that in a peaceful place like this, anything bad would happen.
May wonder why we keep the window wide open on an October afternoon, said the niece, indicating a large French window that opened onto a lawn.
Yes. So she said that okay. She continued that you may wonder that why we kept the window open in this October afternoon, and then she pointed towards the window. Okay, Mehak.
It is quite warm for the time of the year, said Frampton. But has that window got anything to do with the tragedy?
So he just simply said it is quite warm for the time of the year, and then he said that again he tried to relate, okay, it has something to do with the tragedy or not. Then
Out through that window, 3 years ago to a day, her husband and her two young brothers went off for their day shooting. They never came back. In crossing the moor, their favorite shooting ground, they were all three ungloved in a treacherous, treacherous piece of bog. It has been that dreadful wet summer, and places that were safe in other years gave was sudden-
gave way.
gave way suddenly without warming.
Wait. Now what happened? What was the tragedy? Out through that window 3 years ago to a day to present day means आज से 3 साल पहले, ठीक है? Her husband and her two young brothers. Okay, husband and two young brothers means three in total three. ठीक है? So they went off for their day shooting. वो normal अपना shooting जो भी उसका होगा उसके लिए they just left the place, but they never came back. Not going to shooting. Let's see अभी आगे देखते हैं अगली लाइन से पता चल जाएगा तुम्हें.
Their body,
They never came back. In crossing the moor to their favorite shooting ground, they were all three engulfed in a precarious piece of fog. Means दलदल होती है. What about दलदल? जितना तुम try करते हो just to come out, what you just sleep होते रहते हो उसके अंदर, ठीक है? So what was the problem? What was, you can say, the tragedy that they never came back. They were going to their favorite spot to shoot some animal, okay, to kill, to hunt, and then what happened? That was you can say dreadful wet summer, tragic, terrible summer, and then what happened? And places that were safe in other years gave way here, collapsed. Okay, gave way suddenly without warning. Otherwise, जो places हमेशा अच्छी रहती हैं, the places that were safe usually during summer, that time because of you can say monsoon, because it is written a wet summer, so because of that the place collapsed, वो दलदल बन गई हुई थी, and then
their bodies were never recovered. That was the dreadful part of it.
so the bodies were not recovered, they were not able to find the bodies, and that was the most horrible or terrible part of the tragedy. Okay.
Here, the child's voice lost its self-possessed note and became flutteringly human.
So means as she was trying to show that she was very calm and composed, that very moment when she described the tragedy, that last part, that the bodies were not recovered, and then means they never came back, and the bodies were also not found. So that time she lost her that calm and composed, that confident voice, and it was like she was just going to start crying. Okay.
Poor aunt always thinks that they will come back someday. They and the little brown spaniel that was lost with them and walked in at that window just as they used to do.
I think little spaniel, brown spaniel is the dog. Okay. And the aunt still thinks others means the three husband and brothers would come back through that window.
That is why the window is kept.
Means she used to watch them coming from that window. ठीक है, वो वहां से दिख जाते होते थे उससे आते हुए.
That is why the window is kept open every evening till it is quite dusk.
So रात होने तक they used to keep that window open.
Poor dear aunt, she has often told me how they went out, her husband with his white waterproof coat over his arm, and Ronnie, her youngest brother, singing Batai, why do you bond? As he asked, did to tease her because she said it got on her nerves. Do you know, sometimes on still quiet evenings like this, I almost get a creepy feeling that they will all walk in through that window.
So she then finished, she completed the tragedy that she said that she lost the loss, and then why the reason why they keep the window open, because the aunt is still waiting for them to come. And then what happened? Then she said that aunt used to tell me how husband and they used to go out, and husband with white waterproof coat over his arm, and Ronnie, the youngest brother, how he used to sing, Bertie, why do you bound such kind of song, just to tease her, tease the aunt. Okay, because she, you can say, didn't like the song or something. And then, do you know, sometimes now the girl is saying sometimes she, when the evenings are quiet, बहुत शांति होती है, that time she said that sometimes she feels that somebody is walking through that window. She could feel the presence of someone. Okay, Anvay, come and summarize whatever we have read. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
In this story, there is a man named Frampton Nuttall. He had a problem of bad nerves. He had an inquiry with a lady named Mrs. Stapleton. He was an introvert, so his sister had helped him, also came with him and
No,
gave.
she didn't. He just gave the letters.
So her sister gave he gave him letters of introduction to all the people she knew. And there was at one house of Mrs. Stapleton, her niece was there, who was attending them, and they had a talk about Mrs. Stapleton, about the death of her husband and brothers.
About the tragedy.
Yes,
What was
ma'am.
the tragedy?
One day, her husband and brothers had went for a shooting,
Which shooting?
animal shooting. There they were engulfed in a
What Discovery Channel? Hunting.
on a hunt. There they were engulfed in a bog, and they never returned back. However, Mrs. Stapleton still thinks that they will come back one day, so she keeps the windows of her house open.
What was with the letter of introduction? What do you mean? And the note also, kind of note. Okay. Okay. Why had Frampton Nuttall come to the rural retreat? To cure himself on the suggestion of his sister. Okay. You will start that he was facing, or he had bad nerves. So just to cure his anxiety issues or anxiety disorder, he had come to that place as it was suggested by his sister, so that अब ये question 2 marks में आएगा, तो you have to add, so that he could meet new people and could live in a peaceful environment. Add these things also. Okay, Gurkaran? Why had his sister given him letters of introduction to people living there? What is the reason? Why? He was a grown-up man, you can say, right? So why she gave the letter of introduction? What was the reason? He was not a social being, you can say. Maybe a kind of introvert, okay? Or then he had issues, some problems, okay? So the sister, she wanted him to meet new people to cure his problem, and that is why she had already lived there, so she knew few nice people, so that is why she wanted him to meet them. Gurkaran. With your mask. Won't be visible अगर यहाँ पे आ भी जाओगे.
As narrated by the niece, one day Mrs. Stapleton's husband and her two brothers, along with their dog, went out for shooting, but they never came back. According to the lesson, they were engulfed in a treacherous piece of bog. Her aunt always believed that they will come back one day.
Anyone else? Manan? क्या स्टोरी थी? ये तो पता होगा ना? चल.
Tragedy was that aunt, husband, and his younger brother went for
How
a
many
shoot.
brothers?
Two brothers went for a shoot with their dogs, but after the shooting, they do not come back. They was stitched into muddy
They sunk into that box.
bow, and then they do not come back. That's why Mr. Aunt opened their window.
Can't still keep the
Open.
window open.
Open.
Okay. A second. Brothers, you know how many brothers, right? What was the dreadful part of the tragedy narrated by the girl? The bodies were not recovered. They were not able to find the bodies. Okay. Extra question.